Ready to take the next step in your academic journey? Applying for a master's or PhD scholarship can be a daunting task, but with the right guidance, it can be a rewarding experience. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on navigating the scholarship application process. First, let's dive into the essentials. Start by researching available scholarships that align with your field of study and career goals. Make a list of deadlines and requirements for each. This will be your roadmap. Next, gather your materials. Most applications will require transcripts, letters of recommendation, and a personal statement. Ensure each document highlights your strengths and aligns with the scholarship's criteria. Now, let's address a common challenge, the personal statement. This is your chance to shine. Clearly articulate your academic achievements, future aspirations, and why you deserve the scholarship. Remember, authenticity is key. Another crucial step is securing strong letters of recommendation. Choose mentors who know your work ethic and can speak to your potential. Provide them with ample time and information to write a compelling letter. Avoid common pitfalls like missing deadlines or submitting incomplete applications. Double-check everything before hitting submit. Finally, stay positive and persistent. Rejections are part of the process, but each application is a learning opportunity. By following these steps, you're not just applying for a scholarship, you're investing in your future. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Good luck, and may your academic dreams come true.